So, good day everyone. Today, I want to talk about our biggest issue or problem in our country, which is the poverty. So, many Filipinos nowadays are still struggling to meet their basic needs, and some people don't have enough food, safe home, or money to send their children to school. So, because of this, many children stop studying and try to work just to help their family to survive. So poverty happens for many reasons. So one of the main reasons is the lack of job opportunities and low income. So many workers earn less than what they need for daily living. And some people are also do not have a good access for educations, which make it hard for them to find a better job in the future. So this problem continues for one generation to another. So to solve this issue, the government and the people must work together. The government should create more jobs, improve education, and support small businesses. So as a student, I can take part in school and community projects that help people need, like donation drives or feeding program. I can also practice kindness by giving my old clothes or school supplies to those who need them. Even small action can make a big difference when done with a sincere heart. Together, we can help reduce poverty and make our country a better place for everyone. So that's all. Thank you.